Hello students. Now today we are going to solve 2-3 MCQ questions from the probability theory. Very easy and interesting questions. So now the first question is, if A and B are two events such that probability of A is not equal to 0, at the same time probability of B given A is equal to 1, then what will be the true answers we have to find. So now we do one thing, we use the definitions of probability of B given A. So it is equal to B intersections A divided by probability of A, which is equal to 1. So now we have probability of A intersection B is same as probability of A. So we have two events and their probability are same. So now we want to say that these sets A intersection B and will be equal to A when it is possible if we know that A is a subset of B. When A is a subset of B, then we know that A intersection B should be equal to A. Okay, now so now from here we can say that option A is the correct option. A is a subset of B. Now coming to the next question, question number 8. If probability of A given B is greater than probability of A. So what is the definitions? Probability of A given B is greater than probability of A. So we can write probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B, which is greater than probability of A. So now what we have, probability of, we can interchange this probability of B and probability of A. So now we have probability of A intersection B by probability of A, which is greater than probability of B. Now this is the definitions of probability of B given A. We notice that which is greater than probability of B. So now if we just, here simple tricks is you just interchange the probability of A and the probability of B quantity, then you will get the answer, and this is nothing but the option C is the correct options. Okay, now coming to the next questions. Here we notice that the probability of A and B are two events such that A is a subset of B. So here A is a subset of B. So suppose if it is a B set, then this portion we called A set. So now A is a subset of B, so this will implies A intersection B must be equal to the set A. Okay, now so now which of the following is true? So we take one by one and we see what will happen. So probability of A given B we can write as probability of A intersection B and then probability of B, and probability of A intersection B set is same as A set. So probability of A by probability of B, but in the option A we notice that it is just opposite B by A, so this option is incorrect. Now coming to the options B, probability of A given B is lesser than probability of A, but what we know that A given B is nothing but probability of A by probability of B, which is lesser than probability of A. By cancelling probability of A on both sides, we have one lesser than probability of B. So probability of B will be greater than 1, so which is impossible. A event cannot have a probability more than 1. Now coming to the next one, option C we are checking probability of A given B which is greater than equal to probability of A. So probability of A given B we can write as probability of A. From here I am getting the definitions or the results, by probability of B which is greater than equal to probability of A. By cancelling probability of A from both sides, we have 1 greater equal to probability of B, and we know that event has maximum probability is 1 or it is less than 1. Okay, now 0 to 1 is the range of the probability. So what we notice that it is also correct. Now coming to the next one, here we know that in the previous question what is the correct options. So we notice that C is the correct option, Calcutta is the correct option. Now here we first define A given B. So this definition is probability of A. This definition is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. So this definition is valid when probability of B cannot be equal to 0. Then the definition is valid. So here you notice that the probability of B is given as 0, so definition is not valid, so this is not defined quantity. So hope all of you understand this. So now we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye, have a nice day.